How to fix Instagram cannot follow problem easy and fast. Hello guys and welcome back to this video. I'm going to show you how to fix can't follow problem easily and fast. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then scroll down. Go to the apps manager on your phone. Go to the apps. Now right here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded. So scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this app information page. Or what you have to do here now is very easy. Just click on force stop and then go down to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, and after that go back again, click on the storage, click on clear data, and then go back, click on the open by default option, click on this option, choose always allow, and that's it. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.